Imagine a storm bigger than Earth that has been raging for 300 years. It spins faster than any other planet. A day is only 10 hours long. Suzi, tell us about that giant red eye on the planet.
That is the Great Red Spot, a hurricane that never stops. It is shrinking, but it is still big enough to swallow Earth whole.
I am staying away from that storm. Does Jupiter protect us?
Yes. It acts like a giant vacuum cleaner for the solar system. Its gravity pulls dangerous asteroids away from Earth.
Does it have rings like Saturn?
Yes, but they are faint and made of dust, unlike Saturn's ice rings.
So it wears a dusty crown. What about its moons?
It has 95 moons. The most famous ones are the Galilean moons.
95? Imagine remembering all their names for an exam.
One moon, Europa, might have an ocean under its ice. Maybe aliens live there.
Underwater aliens? Scary! Can we land on Jupiter?
Impossible. The pressure would crush a spaceship like a soda can.
Is it true Jupiter failed to be a star?
Yes. It has the same ingredients as the sun, but not enough mass to burn. It is often called a failed star.
Poor Jupiter. But it is still our king. Now, time for the quiz. Which is the largest moon in the entire solar system?
Is it Titan, Ganymede, or our moon? If you know the answer, comment below. And if you don't, subscribe and hit the icon right now. I will reveal the answer in the next video very soon. Don't miss it! In the meantime, feel free to explore the playlist on my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay well, stay healthy. Bye!